Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is change of active into passive for declarative sentences when the tense is present progressive or present continuous. In active, we know active voice, the sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary verbs is, am, or plus first form of verb plus ing, that is called present participle, plus object and then complement. But when we are going to change it into passive voice, then the subject of active voice will become the object of passive voice, and the object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. So here the sentence structures for this tense is object mean object of active voice when you are going to change it. So you should know, you should point out what is the object of active sentence, active voice. Object plus is or am plus being plus third form of verb, which is also called past participle, plus by plus subject of the active voice. Here it will become the object. Examples: in active voice means active voice. Here the sentence is the chef is preparing a special menu. Here you are first of all you should point out the subject. The subject over here is the chef and the object is a special menu, and the verb will be is preparing. So we are going to change it into passive voice. Then the object of active voice, that is a special menu, will become the subject of passive voice. So a special menu. Verb will be changed into is being prepared. A special menu is being prepared. Then we put by and then subject of active voice, that is by the chef. So the sentence of passive voice will be a special menu is being prepared by the chef. Next sentence, in active voice the sentence is the teacher is explaining a complex concept. In passive voice it will become a complex concept is being explained by the teacher. In the third sentence, active voice is the manager is reviewing the sales report, and its passive voice will be the sales report is being reviewed by the manager. Here change of active into passive voice for negative sentences when the tense is present progressive. In this case, the sentence structure of active voice sentences is subject plus is, am, or one of them, plus not, plus first form of verb plus ing, plus object. And when we will change it into passive voice, then it will become object first of all, the object of active voice. Object plus is, am, or plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject of the active voice. So here are some examples to make it sure that you know. The chef is not preparing a special menu, so its passive voice will be A special menu is not being prepared by the chef. In second example, the teacher is not explaining a complex concept. Here the passive voice will be a complex concept is not being explained by the teachers. In third example, the manager is not reviewing the sales report, so its passive voice will be the sales report is not being reviewed by the managers. Now change of active into passive voice for interrogative sentences when the tense is present progressive. In present progressive, the sentence structure of interrogative sentences is, in active case, first of all we put is, am or one of them, plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, and then we put sign of interrogation, that is compulsory. And in passive voice, its sentence structure will be is, am or plus object of active voice plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject and then sign of interrogation. Some examples are here. Is the chef preparing a special menu? So its passive voice will be is a special menu being prepared by the chef. Next example, is the teacher explaining a complex concept? So its passive voice will be is a complex concept being explained by the teachers. In third example, is the manager reviewing the sales report? And its passive voice will be is the sales report being reviewed by the managers. Activity: write 5 sentences of each state. Mean, declarative sentences, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, यानी आपने हर एक के 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. एंड डू राइट ऑन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फेलोज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Here is another slide which has been explained in the very first lecture. So if you need, then you may read them. Why do we change active into passive voice? And the second one is basic rules for changing active into passive voice. This one already, both of them have been explained in the very first lectures. Allah Hafiz once again.